Hi there, I'm SilasQiu and welcome to my channel. So this is my page, and as you can see, I just want to show you that I only have this many subscribers, but I'm able to get video views like this amount. I've been a little gone from YouTube, so my views are a little lower, but still, for someone who has my amount of subscribers, the views I get is pretty good. So these are some of my popular videos. So I guess we're not going to count the stuff that's too long ago. This one is just about a year ago, as you can see here. This one is a year ago, 2 years ago, 8 months ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. This one was 2 months ago. And only in 2 months, I already accumulated 9.5 thousand views. The point I'm trying to make is, for someone as small as me, I'm able to get the views because I do tag in and SEO as best as I can. Just going to share with you guys what I've learned. I'm going to show you how I tagged this video. Tip number 1 is put your name at the end of all of your titles. Doesn't matter what your title is, if your name can fit in the title, put it. As you can see here, I have this long title because at least someone is more likely to type in a phrase or a term somewhere from this, like how to, that's already searchable. And acrylic nails at home, that's searchable as well. Use and only floss. So I basically got everything. How to, check. Remove acrylic nails at home, check, because people will be searching how to do that. And as you can see here, I use my name at the end. This is the full title right here. And I always put SilasQiu at the end. So I have SilasQiu here. And then I would have SilasQiu in the description section as well. Like, hi there, I'm SilasQiu. And I introduce myself to you guys. And that name SilasQiu is everywhere. So it becomes a keyword. When I put it in the tag section right here, Google sees SilasQiu here, SilasQiu here, SilasQiu here. SilasQiu is basically everywhere. And it helps rank my searches. So if you can, without spamming, put your name in the title, in the description, and in the tag. Now, step 2 is if you can't think of a good title for your video, I'm going to show you a tip / a cheat. Say I didn't know what title to give this video. It's about removing acrylic nails. So if you can't think of a good title, the trick is to go to YouTube, open up a new tab on YouTube, and go to search. How to, and the sentences, like if you think about it, you want to remove acrylic nails. So how to remove, you want more titles. See, these are a bunch of different titles you could use. All you have to do is start typing some ideas and more ideas will pop up and you can see which one you want to go with. These at the top are the more searched ones. So I go with the more search ones as a title, and these are just some other things you could use as like keywords. I'll show you about keywords later on. See, my title is how to remove acrylic nails at home, but if you wanted, you could have made the title how to remove acrylic nails easy. So you can put how to remove acrylic nails at home easy. You mix it, you combine it, but this is just a way for you to get title ideas. Since I'm using a floss, technically my title could be how to remove acrylic nails without acetone. There's just many ways that I could have titled it. I put at home because people like to find at home remedies and stuff like that. So I just kind of used my own knowledge of what can people search for. So you have to really think like that. But like I said, this is a way to find title ideas if you can't think of any. So these suggestions right here, all these are great video titles, but we can't use them all. So we picked the best one and we picked the one at the top. Depending on what strategy you want to go with, I picked the one at the top. And all of these, you will copy and paste it in a notes section. I usually have notes open so I can copy and paste everything here. I put those titles right here. Technically, if someone just looks up one of those phrases that they type in Google, then I will pop up because I type them in my keyword section. So you want to have keywords that people are likely to type in and search. That is what you're going to put here. So if they're looking up how to remove their acrylic nails on Google, then my video will pop up. Let's give it a try. Oh. See, when you go to videos, maybe I'm not the very first videos, but I'm still there. There I am because of my video tag-ins and my SEOs. Another tip is, say you already copied and pasted all those title ideas into your keyword section here. Another tip is to just have notes section open up and you just want to reword things. You just want to start off with one solid sentence and keep rewording, keep building it and adding to it so you can think of things people search up. Remember, for the title, you don't want to get too creative. You have to think of what will people search up. So don't use big words, don't use smart words, Use basic words that regular people will use to search up their everyday problems if that's the type of video you're making. So for the description, a lot of people don't know how important the description truly is, but it's so very important because Google actually keeps the first sentence, and that is the first sentence Google will look at when they're trying to figure out what your video is about. So you want that first sentence to kind of be a selling point for Google, for the computer, for the search engine. That's who you want to attract. So instead of like a typical description like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, don't do that. That should not be your first sentence. Your first sentence should be attacking those keywords. So an easy and cheap way to attack the keywords is just to copy and paste the exact title you used into the first sentence of your description, as you can see I did here. And then you want to get into describing what the video is about. Now here's another tip. The more you write in your description, the better for your video, because that is more chances that Google will see you repeating the same keywords over and over. So your video will pop up more because you have so much of those words. So if you reuse the same words, it's better for the search engine. So if you can put these phrases that you use here, restate them here, but don't just copy and paste the titles like removing nails using floss. You can't just make bullet points. You can't make a list of keywords because that's going to be spammy and you're actually going to get in trouble for that. So you have to make actual sentences with these phrases. Another way to get your videos seen and for people to find your videos is you're allowed to use hashtags in your description box. So basically, you know, hashtags, actual hashtags, which could just mean you taking these keywords and put in the little hashtag sign, and there you have your hashtag so people can find your video. So since you're allowed to use 15, I actually use only 10. Here are some of the hashtags that I use. And since my hashtags are so damn long, I only use this amount sometimes. If it's short hashtags, then I'll use 10. This is a way you're allowed to spam, basically. Because remember, I told you you're not allowed to just copy and paste these terms right here and list it in your description box. You will get in trouble for that. So don't do that. You need to use complete sentences and use these phrases in a complete sentences. This right here. I would never just copy and paste this same thing all over. Another thing is always use end screens. This way you just drive traffic back to your video. As you can see here, I have my end screen. So instead of someone else's video popping up in your recommended, you have your videos ready to go. So after someone watches your video, they're able to just watch another video from you. Now I'm going to show you how your channel can get views. A lot of people don't know about this. Go to Creator Studio. You go to channel and then go down, and here we have advanced. So you click on advanced and channel keywords. You basically want to just fill this section out about what your channel is about, what your videos offer. So if people type that in, they will find your channel. Now also another tip is to actually use other YouTubers' name in this section. You use people who have similar content to you. So when their video is playing on someone else's screen, your video is more likely to come up as a recommended video because you have similar content and because you're tagging them. So for example here, I use Leah, I use Offbeat Look, I use Shariza. These are all my friends, by the way, and I have been in their videos. But you can also just use people you've never met and you've never been in their videos, and they're other successful YouTubers. So keep that in mind. It's just a good way to get in front of their viewers as well. So my favorite site to use to help me come up with ideas and say hashtag ideas, keywords ideas, or just video ideas in general is VidIQ. And that's why on my channel you see things like these that you might not see on your YouTube page. So for example, I can go to trending and it will tell me which videos of mine are trending right now. I could go to stats and it shows me my stats really quickly and easily. Keywords are so important. We want to know what are our top keywords for our channel. What are people actually using to find us? For me, mine is SilasQiu, Asian, and how to. And this is just a few things that come with VidIQ. I'm just showing you guys. So basically, I will monopolize on using these keywords over and over because I know that is how people are finding my channel. I wouldn't have known that if I didn't have VidIQ, by the way. So that's just something you can think about investing in if you're really serious about your YouTube channel. Here's another tip. Say you don't know what hashtags to use. You want to just type in a video name, right? How to remove blackheads on nose, whatever. We're just gonna go with that. That is a horrible choice, but you get what I mean. We're gonna click a video. So it's from Brightside. They're awesome. You get to see how much money people are making with VidIQ. So you see all their stats. Also, you get to see what video tags they use. So if you were to make a video on how to remove blackheads from your nose, you can steal their hashtags as well. And maybe you can use the same ones, or if you'd like, you could reword them, use these as keywords or whatever. But I'm just showing you the options that come with having VidIQ basically. This is the best part right here. This shows that this keyword is actually like extra good. It is number 16, and basically this is the keyword that's bringing this video a lot of views as well. So you can figure out and strategize what keywords to use in your video tag so your video can get a lot of views as well. So that's just something to think about with VidIQ. That's why I use it. Honestly, I use it to come on other people's channel, see what video tags they use, see what's their best video tags, and take their video tags. It has stuff like this, all these information, guys. And then there's more section, how much traffic is from Twitter, blah, blah, blah. It just gives a more in-depth information more than YouTube does. Definitely check out VidIQ, see if that's something you're interested in, because honestly, it has helped me so much when it comes to thinking of video ideas because of trending videos. I use that to help find certain video ideas of what's popular, and also I use that to help me fill out my description box and my tag section by checking out what other successful videos have and taking those aspects from those successful videos and, you know, put it in my video, like the tag section, by taking their #1 tags and putting it in my tag section. So definitely look into that. And like I said, it gives you more in-depth detail and information about your channel and your video progress than YouTube analytics does. So I like to just use both of it, which is just, you know, like you get double information and just really see everything that's going on in your channel and your video. So yeah, that's my #1 tool. I've been using it for so long now. It will help you so much. Just take my word for it. You will thank me later. And if you love it as much as I do, let me know in the comment section below if you already use it or not. That's why I came on to tell you guys this in this condition. It is real. This is real talk. Even if you apply all these tips, not all of your videos are going to get a lot of views just because you do awesome SEO. It's about luck as well. Sorry to break it to you guys, but you need some luck and you need to be persistent and upload more quality content. I can't stress that enough. Don't just upload a bunch of random stuff like every day and not put effort into it. It needs to be quality content. Good luck, you guys. I wish you all the best. I hope you make some banger videos. And if you find these tips helpful, please let me know in the comment section below which tip was your favorite. And hey, if you apply these rules to your channel, all these tips, and your channel starts getting more views and more subscribers, let me know please in the comment section. That will be your way of thanking me. I just want to see good things happen for you guys. So let me know in the comment section so I could be happy for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.